I literally said from you, all of you individually.
No one else is talking but you!
Alright, we're starting. 3, 2, 1. He's laughing. I give up. We go.
Wait, Penguin, before you start it.
Are we starting yet? Have we started yet?
Before you
Go. Wait. Mute. Rockney sent me something. Okay, mute. I'll look at it after. I promise.
Okay, you better not lie to me.
Negro.
Hey guys, Penguin57 and welcome to another interview. Today I'm being joined by the Pepega Parrots.
Pogger!
Do your rep or something. Yeah, be interesting.
What should we do with the drunken sailor? What should we do with the drunken
Oh my god,
no one likes you. Why are you on the team?
Why are you the shitty main tank? Fuck
Roll,
you.
dude.
Whoa.
Wait, we gotta go quiet again. I gotta explain some stuff. I'm gonna do stuff different this time. Last time was super scuffed, so I sort of learned my lesson here.
Alright.
So I'm gonna break this up into 3 sections. One is open discussion. I'm gonna ask a question. Anyone can answer it. I don't care. You guys can argue about it or whatever. Then I'm gonna do individual questions, one for each person. I'm pretty sure I did everyone. If I forgot someone, then I just hate you.
Alright, love you.
Seems right.
And then the third section is just gonna be quick fire. I have 4 quick questions, and they're all one answer things, and you can do whatever you want. Okay?
I'm good, man. Fuck.
Sounds very sick nasty. First, let's introduce yourselves. Your name, your role, and your defining character trait.
Yeah.
Rockney, go first.
Hey, I'm Rockney. I'm Masters, and I'm better than Eps.
I like it.
Okay.
Alright, we go down the row. Lilithy, then Nick.
My name's Lofty. I play main support, and I'm literally the only one here with a functioning brain.
Fuck you, Lily.
Hey.
Okay, dude.
Dude, I like ice cream.
Nick,
Wait,
go.
let me. Okay. I'm Nick. I'm the professional feeder on the team. My characteristics are saying the N-word and good at comms. Easy.
You're not even gonna mention me, Nick. Fuck you.
Shut the fuck up, whore. Shackler next. Go.
I swear to God.
My name's Schaffler. I am the Flex support. I have my own show, so I'm better than all you. And I am nice?
Poggers! Okay.
Yo, I can defer that.
Shut up, Rockney, Tofu, go.
You know what?
I'm Tofu. I'm
I'm also the best Flex support in Novice, and I like to talk over
Oh my god,
I
Schaffler!
am the main tank for Pepega Parrots, and I'm a thrower.
Yep.
Yep, that's pretty obvious.
Underdog.
Yes.
I'm Underdog, I'm a bench boy, and I like to throw.
Okay.
Also true.
My name is Shash. I'm the manager. Also, I disappeared like your dad.
Jesus!
Also,
Never
Schaffler,
did.
how did you
Also
not
like
even
my
talk
dad.
about a sister's fiance, dude? I don't.
Okay,
Dude,
Zim,
that's
go,
not
Zim,
my
go.
talking
I'm
about.
Zim.
Zim.
I'm an assistant coach, and I can't aim on PC for the life of.
Smiley face.
Zim's our only coach.
Yeah, we call
Zim
him
is
Joyce.
literally the only coach who shows up to
Yo,
anything.
so Zim is a
Boss.
shadow.
Can someone read that Tedison copy pasta real quick? Hold up. Let me just wait. Hold up. It's in the bike
We
room.
have
By the
some
way,
copy pastas. Can we give him access to like?
Hey, I've been thinking about it all day, and I believe that I have decided that I no longer want to continue coaching.
Yes!
Yeah.
The dead copy pasta, perfect.
Alright, yeah. I like that
Yo,
we
guys,
talk about
guys,
Ted's
sorry,
copy
guys.
pasta and not mine. We don't talk
Yeah,
about
I
that.
already put that in chat. Fuck you.
Alright, gamers, we're going.
Alright, where are we going?
Alright. So, how do you guys feel going in? How did you guys feel going into the Bob Burgers game, knowing you were missing some starters?
We are fucked, definitely, 100%.
We thought that we were kind of fucked, but then we had like all week. We basically had 2 weeks to prepare for it, and we thought that we were ready. But then Giz, for whatever goddamn reason, didn't show up on time, and it kind of affected the way we played in our first map because we had Sebson, who we usually didn't, because he was AFK, or he wasn't AFK. He wasn't able to come in to anything. So it kind of like caught us off guard that we didn't have Giz to play the DPS role. So Sebs was on it, and not to knock Sebs, but I mean Giz kind of carried, as you saw in Junkertown. And then after that map, Giz came, and it kind of took us a little bit to get rolling. But we were kind of confident, but not as confident as we normally would be if Magical and Sebs were there.
To be honest, I think I speak for some people that I was just more excited for the Jackbox game after.
That's facts.
Okay, bruh.
Hard fucking facts right there, dude.
Yeah.
I didn't
Yeah,
get the outfit have come, dude. It was all
Follow-up
about
question.
Jackbox.
Follow-up question.
Uh-huh.
Why was I not added to the call for Jackbox?
we
I am
asked-
very
yo,
offended.
you-
I am about.
Penguin,
Uh,
Penguin, read
No
the
one.
question.
It's because no one likes you, Penguin.
No.
that's a
It's
yikes.
because we asked Bob Burgers, hey, do you have any more people? They're like, no, dude. And then we just went.
Okay, Pitchin. Okay,
Yeah, blame
bring
your
me
own
thy cheeks.
Blame your team.
Okay.
Jer. Okay. Next, this is a very important question. So,
Is it?
who is your favorite bot burger? And I'm only accepting wrong answers.
Wait, wrong answer.
Oh, wrong answers. Wrong answers. Penguin. Penguin's my favorite.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
Penguin.
wrong answer.
I fucking love
Yeah.
Penguin. This is the wrong answer, right?
I don't know any of them because they're all irrelevant. So.
You're
We just got 3-1 by them. We shouldn't be talking like this, bro.
Tofu, Tofu,
Wait
come
till
here,
we get
come here.
magical back.
Tofu,
We can start
Tofu.
trash talking.
Tofu, come here.
What's up?
Tofu. How dare you even fucking refer to them as anything other than semi-gods?
Okay,
If I can
Rockney.
answer,
Because I'm illegal.
if I can answer
Tofu,
seriously,
you're fucking bad.
I like everybody. Like literally everybody on their team is super likable. I would have to say Ranter just because he's my flex support buddy. We play
My
No.
favorite's
together.
Pigeon.
My favorite's Pigeon
no,
because me and him bully
no
kids
cap.
in Roblox.
Yeah, like no cap. Pigeon's the best.
The Pigeon's
I
cool.
love-
Arrow's really cool too.
It's all about
Deefy's
power.
cool.
Saffron Rice is my buddy.
So
Yeah.
overall, we
Shout
just
out.
want to suck your team's dick.
Alright, so we're going into the individual question section. So this is for one person. So yeah,
Got it.
that's all I got,
Let's
Chief.
go.
Alright, so Coach Zimzif,
The Chad.
did you guys prepare for anything in particular for going up against the BB?
I did do a VOD review and tried to take notes on it, and I mostly would say focusing on trying to identify somebody's opposition and focus, like, target focus. But that didn't work.
Oh shit! Oh god! yeah. That sounded kind of bad. Whoever caught there, are you alright?
Guys, I just want to state this. Pontillo's wings are really good.
Please shut up.
I would just like to say.
Rockney, I will literally.
Alright, we go again. We go next. GG, we go next. Okay, so Shash. So you guys had a little dip in performance during the middle of the season, and many people were they thought Pepega was gonna drop off, but you guys came back. So did you do anything in particular to change that?
Nope.
Oh yeah, Shash stopped showing up to scrims.
Yeah,
that's
that's
what I think
he's probably not the best person to answer this question.
Oh, okay. Okay. How'd you turn the team
He didn't even know what
around?
Dick and Balls was. Fuck him.
What do you mean, dude? What do you? Okay, I'll look. Okay, I'll answer the question
Straight up.
seriously.
If you want a real answer, I feel like we actually started focusing on what comps work against each opponent instead of just focusing on a comp that we want to run just in general, and we started actually looking forward to most matches. So yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
and
That's huge, bro.
and then it went down a little bit after, and it's
Okay,
it's
shut
like
the
it's
fuck
like
up,
in
you retarded.
it's in flux, dude. It's in flux.
You have no
Shash,
room
I
to talk.
can
Hey,
answer
Shash,
the
Shash,
reason
please
why
tell
we're
me.
not doing
How
this
would you?
well.
Shash, tell me how would you know that if you haven't seen us play in a matter
What
of
do you
like.
mean?
This guy's our manager, by the way.
Okay, dude. I will kick you all off the team. It's
Do it,
over.
please.
Try it. You'll get 0
Oh
wins.
my goodness.
And my suffering.
Why are we
Okay.
here?
But
Just
the
to
reason
suffer?
we're sort of having problems now is because before, one of our big strengths was our coaching staff, which is no longer one of our strengths.
Hey,
because
guys,
we don't
okay,
really have
you're
any
the guy,
coaches.
Oh, wait, GG, we go next. Hold up. Hey, I've been thinking about it all day, and I believe I've decided that I no longer want to continue coaching. I've really enjoyed
Wait, guys,
this.
wait.
Earlier.
That's funny, dude. That was perfect.
Penguin, I'm gonna stop you right there. One second, Nude's calling.
Oh.
True.
Oh.
Love you, Ted. Please keep making thumbnails for me, please.
Yeah, we
Next,
all love
next,
you,
next.
Dad. Cap.
Maximum cap.
Cap.
Imagine being bad.
Okay, Nick.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
So, what do you think is the secret to your team's success?
Me, of course. Easy. Alright, move on.
Okay, next.
Delete the
Wait,
game.
So,
wait,
go
wait,
with
wait,
me.
wait, wait,
You guys have
wait,
historically
It was a prank. It was a prank. If I had to
Calm down.
actually say, probably, honestly, like, just the team itself, like, just how much teamwork we have as a team, how much coordination at the start, and obviously a lot of teams have catched up with time, and I feel like we just need to work on it a little bit more, and we'll be fine, and we got this, easy. We win, 4-0.
PogChamp.
Poggers.
Lil T, so you guys have historically played
Yeah,
mostly
tofu,
ghosts,
exactly.
but do you think it's your best comp?
Wait, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. There are a lot of people yelling.
Alright, you
Lily,
guys
I
historically
swear
have
to
played
God.
most- Shut up, Rockney! You guys have historically played mostly goats, but do you think that's your best comp, or is there something secret you're gonna whip out?
Lily?
Currently,
About fucking rock.
Don't tell him he's on the enemy team.
Okay,
Alright.
is there another comp that
we
you...
are one of the
play.
things after we lost to Rio. We
Just
talked
say
a
yes or
lot-
no. Just answer yes or no, please.
All right, we're gonna be running all DPS heroes. You heard
Thank
it here
you,
first.
thank you. Yeah, okay, okay.
But
the
yeah,
thing is,
I think
we want
Goats is
Penguin
still-
to have knowledge
Yeah,
on this
Chad,
dude.
You don't get to talk. You're not a part of the team.
What do you mean?
You don't show up for things.
Show up to a fucking scrim and maybe you'll be a part of the team.
Anyway,
Okay,
Goats
dude.
currently is still our best comp. I'm confident with our starters we can beat any team on Goats. Like, you can quote me on that because it's true, and I think most people would agree with it. But right now we don't have our starters, so because of that, and because just we want to branch out into other things, we are playing some other things like maybe a little bit of 6 DPS, well-known good comp. I saw it in the Owl. They said I could run it.
Okay. Mayhem out here. So, Schaffler.
Yes!
Schaffler. Can you put me on sit down next week?
Oh
Are
my
you-
goodness.
If you give me a question, yes.
That was the question.
I need a better
my
question. I need a better question.
Okay, Schaffler, how's your day?
Oh my god. Okay.
Pretty good.
Dude, that was literally the question I had for Underdog. Please answer it.
Rock me, please stop messaging me.
All right, let's talk about. So your question was, how am I able to carry Pepega Parrots?
So since I used "How's your day" on Schaffler and he completely ignored it, we're gonna have to switch. Underdog, who is your least favorite player on Pepega?
Hey,
You have to answer it. You have to answer it.
I mean,
I'm your man.
Say someone who left the team.
oh,
Can I
yeah.
give you a hint? Can I give you a hint?
Yeah.
Underdog, I know you have the built-up frustration.
Never Baptiste the comp, dude. Baptiste,
You know, in the scrim against Rio, our warm-up scrim, we lost against Baptiste Goats. Okay, so you could suck
We
my
lost
fucking
against
cock.
all of their comps because we were
Yeah,
so
they
good
ran,
at throwing.
they
We
ran.
were throwing the warm-up script. Like, we lost all of it.
Sure. That's what they all say. Shut the fuck up.
Underdog. Okay, so I answered the question
Oh,
now.
alright. I want to point something out. In our warm-up scrim, I had
It's Lily because he keeps
11
interrupting
after
me.
playing Goat.
Sounds good. I'll take that. Okay. So next. Rockney.
Yo.
Rockney. So since you are the highest SR player on Pepega,
Yeah.
you clearly have the largest brain. So can you seed all of the teams?
Ooh.
Is he muted?
You
I server muted.
Hey, okay, listen up, Smooth Brain. Fuck you, Shash.
Okay.
So wait, what was the question?
Can you seed all?
One of the power rankings.
Okay, can you seed all of the teams?
Official high SR player power ranking.
Okay. So basically, this is the gist. Okay, we got us number 1, Bob Burger's number 2, Rio number 3, then we got. This is gonna. I think Platchat's gonna make a fucking playoff run. Platchat number 4, Double Cap number 5, and then OTW number 6.
Ew, you put
Jepic.
you put fucking OTW.
Yeah, number 6.
Under double cap?
Yeah, they fucking suck
Yeah,
ass.
yeah. Wait a second.
Wait,
Okay.
double
I'm
cap's
gonna
garbage
repeat them.
though.
Yeah, I know they're bad, and I hate every one of them, but that's besides the point.
Shit, man.
But One Trick is a little better than them.
Are they?
They took as many maps off Rio as we
No,
did,
but
dude.
what I'm saying, if they were to play in the playoffs, I think Double Cap would beat them.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, no. Rockney has the final word. He has the largest brain.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
I mean, that may just be a tumor, but you know.
I think, yeah.
Oh my
That's a
god.
rumor.
Might want to get that checked out there, bud.
Hey, Penguin, we need a question for Tofu ASAP. What?
Oh,
How's it feel to feed your brain down?
wait. So let's back up here. Shash, was he on the list?
No, but he just came in here.
Okay.
so
I can give him a
give him a
question.
question.
I'll give him a question for you.
Oh god.
Hey.
Tofu. Alright. Who's the worst main tank?
Tofu, easy.
If you say me, I'm leaving.
You just said me. You just said me.
He
No,
did
only
say
ma-
me.
I have an actual question I can ask Tofu. If you
Penguin.
want me to.
If you think about it, you only lost one map, and it was to a meme strat, and you know who was in on that map?
Octo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's definitely.
it's Octo, the player who's burnt out fault, dude. Yeah. 100%.
Yo, guys, I'm burnt out. Once.
Jerk. Okay. Tofu, worst main tank, go.
Me.
Okay, we take those. Alright, so
Actually, no,
we
wait,
move
wait,
on. We
wait,
move
wait,
on.
wait.
We're moving.
It's Shuffler.
Dude, come on, man.
You have to
what
choose
No,
a
actual main tank
Me-
player.
me-
Legitimate main tank
absolutely,
player.
Like, kill myself.
Dude, I'm actually so good at
If
maintaining.
you don't say
Oh,
King
shut the fuck up, you retarded, dude.
Tofu?
You're on fucking main support.
Oh my.
Tofu,
You're off support. Or you're
Oh,
like,
Mike, whoa! Alright, dude, that's your teammate, man. Come on.
okay,
Whoa.
okay.
take those, goddamn.
yo, Tofu, I think you have a little
Okay.
bit extra chromosomes if you think King Genius is better than All Mike.
Okay, that's kind of true.
Wait,
King Genius, dude.
Oh, Mike
Imagine.
was like the best
King-
main tank in the
King
league. before
feed
he
us.
quit.
No, wait, no. But
Dude,
Roll,
who's-
dude.
You guys
roll.
remember when King feels like King Genius was actually good?
Remember when he wasn't ever?
I think he's above average in terms of main tanks in the league.
Yeah,
Remember-
but everybody in novice is above average or they wouldn't be in the league.
No, I don't want to call out. What's his
Do
name?
it,
Ace
Schaffler.
Flash. The dude
Oh.
was playing main tank on one trick. Like they have.
Yeah,
like,
it's Ace Flash.
They have like their fourth. They had Master Dempsey play main tank during their game. Like their flex support play main tank.
GR.
Oh yeah, that actually is true.
Okay,
like-
Pigeon, next round, next question, I think.
Alright, next round. Okay, so this is section 3. This is the quick fire.
Okay.
We go quick. We go quick.
Yep.
Alright,
Quick.
here we go. Who's the best Jackbox player in now?
Ryan.
Pretty obvious, yeah.
Me.
Actually,
me.
it's probably Pigeon. It's probably Pigeon.
Yeah,
honestly.
Pigeon, I gotta
Alright,
go
Pigeon, we go
Yeah,
next.
it's Pigeon.
Who's your favorite advanced team?
Crest.
Okay, good.
Dude,
We're
Who's
legally not
the
allowed
best
to
player on
answer
Pepega?
otherwise.
What? Best player?
Best player in Pepega.
Nick, easy, Nick.
Schaffler.
Magical, actually,
Schaffler.
magical or
Nick,
Schaffler?
go next, Nick,
Magical
go
or
next,
Schaffler?
Nick,
Magical
go
or
next,
Schaffler?
Nick,
Next
go
question.
next.
Highest
Alright,
best
we go
player,
next, we go
by
next.
the way, fuck you.
Are you guys finally gonna buy Friday the 13th?
No.
Never.
No,
No.
mega lol, dude.
Those
Nope.
$3 in my pocket might save me one day.
Actually, I have that game. Why did I say
Don't you
no?
own it, Schaffler? Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Bruh.
it.
Okay.
Wow.
Even next.
Alright, so on there's a left side and a right side on the vid. Left side I put your logo. Right side I don't know what to put.
Yo, I got you.
What
Yo,
do I
got
put
you,
there?
I
What do
got
I
you,
put there?
I got you.
Right, you did the last one. Come on, we need more input
No,
here.
we need to put something special to the team. So how about you
No,
not?
The Ted's copy pasta. Ted's copy
Yes,
pasta.
yes.
Hey, can you just
Yeah,
scroll through our
yeah.
channel?
Copy pasta, dude.
Scroll through the F
Yes.
channel and have that scrolling down the video.
We need
Yeah,
Ted's copy
yeah,
pasta.
that should be it, dude.
Dude, either be Ted's copy pasta or what I just sent you. One of the two, you choose.
Or Epps quotes just slowly scrolling, dude.
That would have been better for his dream, Casper.
Yeah, no, it's fucking Jared from
No,
Subway with the
penguin.
pasta logo.
Okay. Have Ted's copy pasta
It's gonna
and
be
then a
Ted's
bunch of Epps quotes scrolling right above it, dude.
We have a very nice channel full of them.
Alright, send me a list, send me a
I'll give you
list.
access. I'll give you access. Okay. So, are you in the other server?
Yeah.
Okay.
The better and better I get at Widow, the slower time moves.
The easier
Okay.
it is to fall out of
Permissions.
If my team switches off goats, I will carry.
Dude,
If we're talking about racism, then why am I not on the show, bro?
yeah, dude, I'm your man.
Whoa, bro.
Are you,
Oh,
you guys
wait,
understand?
wait, are we recording? Alright, fuck the niggers, let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Nick, you haven't done it yet, Nick. It's celebratory. Go. Yeah, of course. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Video's over.